Ncwala ceremony is a traditional ceremony of the Ngoni people of the eastern province of Zambia. The Ncwala ceremony takes place every year on the last Saturday of February at Mtenguleni village in Chipata. When the crops ripen in February, the first fruits are given to Paramount Chief Mbezeni as a sacramental meal and thanksgiving to God and the ancestors. The fruits are given to him at his palace in Lwangeni 3 days before the event. The ceremony is culminated when one of the Ngoni warriors spears a black bull to death, while another collects the blood for Paramount Chief to drink. The drinking of blood signals that people should now start eating the produce from their fields. Ngoma dance is a traditional dance performed by the Ngoni warriors known as the Impis, while wearing leopard skin. The ceremony helps us keep the tradition of our forefathers and helps the new generation know where they come from. People from different parts of Zambia and Africa travel to Chipata every year to support the Ngoni people. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much to everybody that has subscribed. Please let me know on what you think about this video in the comment section below. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you're the first to know when I post a new video.